Well, after being thoroughly frustrated with the GP460 pull start assemblies, failing at any given time, exploding on rides, leaving you stranded, doing more damage than just the pull starts, I used the RC pull start for a while with the GP460 tabs, which still didn't work out very well. Still braking, bending. Anyway, I came up with a solution to convert the 460 properly over to use an RC pull start. It's a pretty simple adapter, as you can see. Simple 0.125 thick plates welded together. And we'll be using a standard Zenoa pull start. The only thing that's been modified is the holes have been oblonged outward, just enough to match the bolt pattern. You don't have to do anything fancy. I actually did these with a drill, just carefully, just went outward evenly till they matched. Also installed a metal pawl on this particular pull start, but I've tried it on the bench with the plastic ring also, which works just as effective. So let's put it together and see what happens. I'm going to install a piston stopper. I hope you can see it on the video, but using the RC pull starter chews up the corners where they ride eventually, even though it started out square. Very cheap plastic, just will not hold up. Even that plastic against plastic, this plastic gave up before the Zenoa plastic on the ring. And it's all distorted, and these things bend. Anyway, they're garbage. You can use the same bolts you took out, screws. It's a dab of Loctite. And this bolts directly up to the flywheel. Remove the piston stopper. Take the standard Zenoa RC pull start. Yeah, don't use the Chang Young pull starts because even though they're $5 cheaper, the plastic rings snap. They just don't hold up nearly as well as the Sonova ones. It's well worth the $5 extra. We only run 3 bolts in this pull start because the fuel tank's right in the way. And nice, strong. I don't think we're going to have a problem at all. The only thing, if you run a plastic ring, it'll eventually wear like normal, but they all wear a little bit. Definitely won't be any more blowing up pull starts because there's no interference fit. These actually were rubbing against the prongs and touching all the time, whereas now it does not touch until you engage the pull start. Now you can yank really hard on your 460s. Yank that 460. Well, I hope you're as stoked as I am.